Okay, Islam. So I just found some instructions on how to require phone numbers. So as long as you have a PayPal business account, you can do this. All right, I'm just gonna record it while I do it. So you go into account settings. Might need to be on a computer. Click website payments. Click account settings. Then you go over here to the side. Click website payments. Website preferences, and then you can go in there and turn on phone numbers, make it required. They're telling you that if you require a phone number, it can decrease sales and conversions, but if you need to get in touch with the people, then it's something that you need to turn on. And so you go into website payment preferences, right? You can take them to your thank you page. You could keep all that stuff on, but you're gonna go down and turn on contact phone number. So if you make it optional, which is probably optional by default, you got to make it required. And then at least you can get a number. You really need one for emails too, but I mean, I guess you can contact the PayPal email, but turn the contact phone number on, make it required, and then that's it. So it's pretty easy. I send those instructions too.